So in today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of one of the most nutritious milk available in today's world. That's the coconut milk. It's a vegan source of milk, and yes, this milk is equally nutritious and yum. So I'm going to share you the perfect way to make a very beautiful vegan milk, that's coconut milk. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sus Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this recipe. So for making coconut milk, first requirement is coconut. I have taken here raw coconut, grated it around 1 cup. When I am talking of raw coconut, that is available in many variants, but what we need is the coconut of this size and of this shape. Basically coconut which has some hair on top, this the upper portion I am talking about, this peak, and the more light the color of this hair or the color of the coconut hair, the more fresh the coconut is. So make sure you opt for that, not the green one or not the outer covering that we call gola. First we need to break it into 2 halves. So one important tip is there: if you just run it under water, soak it wet, then it can be breaked into half perfectly, and then you can just grate it out or cut it out. But if you want to cut it in equal portion and comfortably, you can store it in freezer for just 1 to 2 minutes. Coconut can be easily cut out from the shell, so that's what we need. Or unlike me, you can also grate it. So for 1 cup of grated coconut, I have taken 2 cup of water at room temperature, and now I just need to blend them. I have added here 1.5 cup, half cup I'll add in another batch. So here I have just blended it nicely, and this is what the coconut with milk looks like. So we just need to strain this milk out of from this pulp, and for that I'll use a muslin cloth. And as I said, this milk has its own good fortune. So once you are habituated to this milk, you can enjoy this milk. So to strain out this milk, I have taken a large bowl. I have used a muslin cloth. You can use a strainer or any cotton cloth you can use. Here I have used the cheesecloth or muslin cloth. So to this now I'll add the blended coconut. This goes inside it. Now carefully I'll just bring together the ends in this way and strain the coconut milk from the pulp. And once you hold this way, just squeeze it so that this can be nicely drained out in this way. Follow the exact procedure as I am showing in my video, and do not forget to squeeze it completely, because these are the precious drops of coconut milk. And as I said, once you get habituated to this milk, it will taste yum. And also this coconut milk is used in many Indian dishes. I'll share the recipe of the video of the recipes that I have used coconut milk, and see, I have strained them out. And this pulp can also be blended again. That's why I had said half a cup water I had left from the 2 cup. That water I'll again add to the blender, and half a cup of water with this pulp again, and again I'll blend so that I can get a thin extract of coconut milk. So if you want, you can add together the 2 cups, but I always use this method. This ensures that I extract the last bit of coconut milk from my coconut. So I always follow this method of twice blending the coconut. So same way I'll just add it in the muslin cloth and squeeze the last drop of coconut milk from this pulp, and just I'll start squeezing in this way. And then once I am done rotating, I'll just squeeze them in this way, and this is it. I have my bowl of goodness. Coconut milk is ready to be used. Once you have extracted this coconut milk, you can store in glass bottles. So I have just extracted the last drops of coconut milk. Now you can discard this pulp, and this goes in my freezer for 2 to 3 days in glass bottles. And if by chance in between you see the coconut milk and the water is separated, just stir it or give the bottle a shake, and this will be ready. So this goes in my glass container in the fridge. You can now use this coconut milk. Homemade very nutritious vegan coconut milk is ready. So you can make this coconut milk in this way. So if you have ever tried to make coconut milk for any recipes but failed, so try this method of making coconut milk. Coconut milk can be extracted very easily. So try this out and let me know your thoughts. And now it's time for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Pravina Swai. He writes, last year me and my friends tried 3 days to make gupchup but failed. You made it simply. Thank you. Thank you so much, Pravina, for such short and beautiful comment. I'm glad that by using my recipe, you were successful in making gupchup. Thank you so much for letting me know. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, that's coconut milk. If you are looking for a nice vegan option, this is the ultimate recipe. And in many Indian dishes, coconut milk is used. I'll share some of the recipes in the description box. So if you want to try this out and let me know your thoughts. And if you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow So's Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.